Hey guys, today we're going to be cooking a traditional dish of this area of Portugal called Farrafuza. My tomato forest is producing so much this year, I can't eat all of the tomatoes. So I've given it to friends, to family. I've got some in the fridge, some in the freezer in the garden shed, and we still can't finish all of them. So we're going to be cooking this today. It's going to be our lunch, and whatever it's left over, we can actually freeze it. So Marina will be the cook because I ain't much of a cook. But I will be helping. So let's see first what we need for this dish. Okay, so for this we need tomatoes, of course, some potatoes, some chopped garlic, some bay leaves, onions, 6 eggs, some pepper, and olive oil. Okay, we need boiling water now, so we can dip the tomatoes and the skin. It's easier to remove. I'm going to start chopping the onions.
Não vale a pena que depois é abrir.
Don't cry anymore, come on. It wasn't me. And if you're wondering why we've got this here, it's because she can't stop eating cherry tomatoes. Okay. Now that they've been in boiling water for a while, she's peeling them. And I'll smash them. Oh.
Julgas ajuda um bocadinho. Estás bonito.
I guess you can't tell that I'm not a big fan of cooking, can't you? Okay, I forgot to mention parsley. It's a good thing I've got tons of this in the garden. Okay, now some olive oil so we can start cooking those onions. We're smashing this as much as possible. Some people like to take the seeds, then they put it through a sieve, but we don't bother. We actually like it like this. And this dish, like I said, is traditional from this area, and it's been passed through generations. So each family almost has a unique way of doing it and a unique recipe. So this is Marina's recipe. Okay, another thing you need for this dish, gin tonic. That will do. There you go. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's so good. 3 medium-sized onions. And you can add the garlic now. One. And off the lids and let it slow cook till it gets translucent when golden. Now we're gonna add some bay leaves. Meanwhile, the eggs are boiled and the potatoes as well. Okay, she's adding bit by bit as she's reducing the sauce, so the liquid evaporates and intensifies the flavor. And now I think she's getting a bit of pepper as well.
Yes. Não põe picante porque passa mal.
Some sugar.
Yes.
Okay, and now that it's pretty much all reduced, or as much as we want it to be,
Yes.
she's added some sugar to cut the acidic taste of the tomatoes.
It's okay. Now,
Switch it off and add the eggs.
and now,
Okay, some lovely Farrafuza. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Dig in.
boa taça.